When Musamseleku was admitted at hospital, Macele and Makwela are only people who are very desperate because they know that Musamseleku is their provider. Macele is not used to go to work, and when Musamseleku is dead, Macele is depending on Utando Nestembo, that program. It means that Musamseleku, when he is dead, that program is no longer there. She is not getting any salary. Even Musamseleku have got other businesses. Macele is not used to go to work than other wives. That's why we saw Macele was crying that Musamseleku to get job, because she knows that it's over. When Musamseleku is dead, she is going to struggle. And Makwela, at that time, she was pregnant with Metuli. She was so desperate what she is going to do, even her family, what they are going to do. So Mangwawe and Makumalo, they are not desperate like that because they know that they can provide for themselves. They are used to go to work every day. So it's so difficult when you used that you can wake up every morning, you get a tea and go to sleep like Macele. Musamseleku can come to Macele. Musamseleku says every time when he visits Macele, Musamseleku visits Macele every day. So he gave Macele money every day. So that's Macele. She was desperate because she was used to have got money, to receive money, to have got surprises, a big house, a big car. You understand? Even Macele's house now is on credit. Musamseleku is still paying Macele's house. If he is dead, what is going to happen? Macele, she is going to do, because she doesn't have money to pay. So it's so difficult to hear. But Mangwabe and Mayeni, they don't have a problem. Mangwabe and Mayeni, they can ask Musamseleku now, but if he is dead, they have got a good job that pays them well. Mangwabe, her kids are in private school. Now Musamseleku is paying for his kids' school fees. But if he is dead, Mangwabe can continue without a problem. She can continue to pay that school fees. There is no problem. Even that house, Mangwabe can continue to pay that loan. But to Macele is a problem because Macele is not working anyway. That's why you saw she was very desperate in Makwela. Mayeni at that time, she doesn't want anything to do with him. Mayeni told Macele that Musamselegu is admitted because of his actions. We are not the reason, because sometimes they want to give other wives the burden, especially Macele. At that time, Musamselegu was sick. Macele was calling other wives. We have to come and gather and to pay the hospital bills together. But when it comes, she wants to enjoy her husband alone. Why she can't to pay? You know that sometimes, guys, I don't understand, because when it comes, she can do anything that Musamseleku to get well. So Macele was pretending at that time that they are in good relationship with Makumalo and Mangwabe. At that time, they understand each other. I saw Mangwabe and Makumalo, they were at Macele's place, because Macele now, she is humble. She wants those wives to pay the bills. You understand it? So, guys, it's better to work for yourself, because when you are depending to someone every time, you know, like how life is too short. It can surprise you. Nowadays there is a lot of things happening in life. So that's why Macele, she was too desperate, and she was thinking, most of the women, guys, when we saw maybe our husband dead, most of the thing we are going to think, where are you going to start with life? Because you are used to wake up in the morning, your husband is at work and you receive money, you are sleeping, and now this is now the situation. Macele is getting a salary depending on Utando Nestembo. If Musamseleku is passed away, is dead, Utando Nestembo is not going to continue. Isingane Sestembo is the only is going to continue. So it was difficult to hear now that what she is going to be happen, because Macele is not used to go to work like other wives.